County, Riverside, California. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for Riverside County in Southern California until 7 p.m. PDT. At 3:51 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.75 and 1.25 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Southern Corona, Western Lake Elsinore, Paris, Lake Matthews, Temescal Valley, Woodcrest, and March Air Force Base.